Dey, macam, I really need a job lah, dey. But writing a resume, yo.
What's so difficult about it? You just need these components: a summary, field-related experience.
Hiya, you just keep quiet and do your own thing lah. You do like Sampa also can. You got Boomi rights what?
Okay. First of all, get a nice picture of yourself. 4.5 cm by 3.5 size, preferably. Make sure you look nice and professional.
Punde, can lah this one.
Tidiness is the key here, Suresh. If you don't want to trim your facial hair, at least comb and groom it so that it's presentable.
What about mine?
Hey, this is pretty good. But you need to open your eyes.
Wow,
Hey,
this guy
hey,
banyak
why
lancar.
lah?
Anyways, next, you want to give them a brief description about yourself.
22, single, Dota 3K MMR, JAV
Dey,
enthusiast.
macam, keep it relevant lah.
Yeah, stuff like your educational background and projects lah. Why you think the company should hire you, etc.
This Lao Pan can speak English very well.
Oh yeah lah, Punde, he can
So what's
speak
next?
lah.
Should be field-related experience, right?
Yep, but remember, keep it relevant.
Is that the reason why I didn't get a job at the Starbucks?
Huh? Starbucks?
What do you mean?
Yeah, I sent them my engineering resume and the manager called me back and said you are overqualified for the job. Punde fella, I tell you.
You idiot. You went to a joint that pays below 1k a month with a degree? The manager must have thought you were going after his job.
Actually, it's 2K working at Starbucks as barista. No need experience one.
2k? Seriously? An engineering firm offered me 1.4.
They wake up, I need to send this by today lah.
Yeah. So, what are some skills that you guys have?
Wait, I can make good murtabak way Lao Pan.
Wait, wow, seriously? Can you make it with the rose bawang too? Damn, macha, that's the best.
Dictionary, Punde, keep it relevant lah macam. What the murtabak with roast bawang, not curry. Are you guys?
Still got space there at the bottom.
So here is our others segment. We would put down less relevant information, it still has value.
I drink tani only.
I joined national debate once.
Perfect. That would fit well.
Dey, Mail, forgot to ask you lah. What's your full name
Muhammad Ismail bin Muhammad Ramli. Why?
See? You can put your others experience as a selling burger at the lorong there.
Oh yeah lo, I forgot leh. Ramly burger very nice one ho. Always the Malay people sell one right.
Astaghfirullah.
Oh, now you call out to your god lah. Last Friday I saw you at track what?
Dude, I was there for a meeting. I didn't even have any drinks.
Stop lying lah, Punde.
Anyways, guys, we still have a problem with our resume.
Serious ah?
Look at these. What do you notice about them? Color. We're going to send our resumes to be competed with several hundred other applicants. We need to give them some color and design it to make it pop out among the rest.
What do you think it meant?
Ah, no lah. I thought you meant the... Aiya, you know one lah. 你的 puss.
Dey, நீ கண்ணுக்கு இல்லனா ஜாடி ரொம்ப பேசாத, okay? Stupid fellow.
Calm down macam.
Mael tak tahu what's gonna happen, tapi Mael hantar resume Mael and y'all boleh pergi mampus.
Fine network.